You sued your doctor for medical malpractice, and after 2.5 years, you finally reached a settlement with the doctor. And now you are pleased with the settlement. But after a couple of months, you turn around and say, you know what? I should have held out for more. I want to go ahead and now sue the doctor again for the same injuries, for the same incident, for the same problems that he caused me, seeking additional money and compensation. Can you do that? Would you like to know the answer? Come join me for a walk along the beach as I share with you the answer to that question. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury attorney. The answer is no, you cannot do that. Once you have reached a settlement agreement with the defense, you will be asked to sign at least 2 different documents. One is called a general release, and the other is a stipulation of discontinuance. Contained within one or more of those documents will be specific language that says you cannot, under any circumstance, come back and sue this doctor for the same incident, for the same injuries that you are now settling this case for. In consideration for X amount of dollars, you agree to release us and release the doctor from any and all further responsibilities into the future, forever and ever. So now you are thinking to yourself, wait a second, I really didn't hold out for enough. I should have gone to trial. I should have gone ahead and let a jury decide how much I should receive. Now, after attorney's fees, after all the expenses on the case, now I walk away with only a fraction of what we actually settled for, and now you are frustrated. You are disgruntled. You are upset that you actually decided to go ahead and settle despite the fact that your attorney disclosed all of this to you in deciding whether or not you should accept the settlement. Your attorney told you it was in your best interest to settle your case. Your attorney told you about all your options, and you are a very intelligent person, and you made the best educated decision at that time about whether or not to accept the settlement. But now, months later, you still have injury. You still have disabilities. You are still limited from doing your daily activities. And now you want to turn around and sue the doctor again and try and obtain more money, or, as an alternative, you want the judge who is supervising your case to reopen your case, put away the settlement, you'll give the money back, and now have your case proceed to trial. Can you do that? In all likelihood, the answer is no. There are very, very few limited exceptions and very few instances where you might be able to do that, to reopen your case. But in this hypothetical, in this scenario I'm giving to you now, it is highly unlikely you'd ever be able to do that. So getting back to the question I raised in the title of this video, can you go ahead and sue the doctor all over again, trying now to obtain more money after already having settled with him and agreeing to release him from any and all further lawsuits relating to this particular incident? The answer is, not a chance. So why do I share this quick information with you? I share this with you because sometimes somebody gets regret. Somebody feels this regret after having settled the case, and now they come back and they pick up the phone and call and say, hey, listen, Gerry, can I go ahead and sue the doctor again? I should have held out for more money. And the reality is, no. That's why you have a very detailed conversation with your attorney. You have to make an intelligent, educated choice about your options when the settlement offer comes in and when you are concluding negotiations. And then, together with your attorney, come to a decision about what is right for you and your particular case. So why do I share this quick information with you? I share it with you to open your eyes and help you understand how these types of cases work in the state of New York. You know, I realize you're likely watching this video because you wanted to see the beach. No. I realize you're watching this because you likely have questions or concerns about your own matter. Well, if your matter did happen in New York and you have not yet started a lawsuit, but are thinking of doing so, and still have questions that need to be answered, what I invite you to do is pick up the phone and call me. You know, I answer questions like yours every single day, and I'd love to chat with you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, Gerry, at Oginski-law.com. That's it for today's video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a fantastic day.